guys, so today we're making bitter gourd, which is also known as Karela, and it's going to be made in a large cast iron, but you could really use any pan that you have, including a nonstick. So let's begin. We'll pour some vegetable oil. Then we put some turmeric, red chili powder, ground coriander, and you just mix it all up in the oil. Just make sure we cook it, and you want to be very swiftly as soon as it's mixed, add the tomato puree. So it's been about 15 minutes since we've cooked down the tomatoes puree and the spices on low heat. And right after this, we're going to turn the heat off. So that's the trick. And we're going to add in about half a cup of buttermilk, and we're going to consistently, stir it in because you don't want it to directly hit the heat. If you don't have buttermilk at home, feel free to use yogurt and some water, which is a bit watered down, to give it the consistency that we're using here. You can add a bit of lemon as well, but really, end of the day, we just need some dairy into this gravy. As you can see now, it's come to a roaring boil. We're going to now add in the Karela, which is the bitter gourd. What we've done is peel them, chop them, and then boil them. And then once they're boiled, we've shallow fried them. So these were already done before, so we're just adding it. You can also deep fry them if you want, but we're just trying to be healthy and have done shallow fry because it just works perfectly well.